Hopefully this next video is going to give you ideas on how to turn a very simple one image layout into something that looks very nice using a few tools and techniques that are part of Memento Pro. After positioning the first image, we're going to give it a little retro look by using angled corners. Then clicking outside of the canvas will give you access to the background colors. I'm just going to select one of the colors from the dress. I'm going to add text on the left page, and then from the drop down menu choose overlays under style decorations at the bottom left. I'm going to add a little magic to this layout by adding a little lens effect. The first step will be to make the overlay exactly the same size as the image underneath, and then use the same corners. Then I'm going to change the color of the overlay to white. Then we're going to add a blending mode to this overlay by clicking on the General Attribute button. Choose Screen so it blends with the image itself. The last step will be to use a gradient to remove the effect from the bride's face. Choose a circular gradient and invert it so the center area of the photo doesn't show the effect. Using the X and Y sliders, you'll be able to move the center point exactly on top of the bride's face. You can add a second copy of the overlay onto the rest of the page to complete the look. Try using decorations and overlays to make your layout stand out.